What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna chat about one of the best Father's Day gifts I ever got, guys, and it's this low profile jack over here. So this is specially made for low cars. You guys with low cars, you know the struggle of getting a jack into the bottom of the car because the car is too low. And then I was also blessed enough to get these two jack stands over here. So these are essentials when you're a car guy and you want to work on the car on your own. Just lifting the car up, doing basic tasks, you need a jack, guys. And today the task we're gonna do, we're just taking the wheel off over here, and we're gonna put on a new clip for the hubcap because the hubcap keeps coming off. See, I'm having issues now with these old clips. They're getting stuck on the wheel. So what we're gonna do is get new clips into there, guys. It's not supposed to be this difficult to take the hubcap off. So these have been replaced. You can see that looks new, but these ones are a problem. But yeah, let's see how easy it is to use this jack, guys. So low profile, obviously it's a bit lower there so it can get in lower. So I need to drill these pop rivets out to put the new ones in. That is all in preparation for a park off tomorrow, guys. I wanna take a car to a park off. Haven't been to a show in a while. So I have got new clips here. You get these at Folk Spares. Simple. All I do is pop rivet them on. Look, they come with these rivets. These are the traditional rivets that you use for the Beetle, but I don't have the tool to put this in. So that's why I choose to go with pop rivets. It's more simple for me. So that goes in over there. And then I'm pop riveting it from the back. There we go. That one worked nice and easily. Let's hope the others work just as easily.
I think we're gonna need a bigger one.
Just make sure it's aligned in the center. I prefer the smaller one. So from the back here, you guys can see. And then we've got all our new clips there. Nice and tight so that the hubcap doesn't come off. Because I hit a pothole and my hubcap went rolling into some person's garden and I had to go search for it. So let's hope this solves the issue, guys. Let's get this wheel back on and then I can tell you where we got my jack and jack stand. So for all you guys who wanna know where I got this jack from, told you the kids got it for me for Father's Day. Awesome present. They've been listening to me because I've been wanting one of these. And the nice thing about these, they're the collapsible jack stand, so they lock, and if you pull them, they drop down. So as simple as that, guys. You always make sure you drop it nice and slow. So I'll drop the link and then you guys can see where I got the jack or where the kids got it. They ordered it on Takealot. 4-ton low profile jack. It's definitely good for us guys with the low cars. So yeah, that was it guys. Quick and easy video showing you guys my favorite gift that I've got so far from the kids. Definitely this jack and the jack stands. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to get one of these jacks, check out the link in the description. And then yeah guys, I'm gonna lock up the wheels and then put the cap on. And if you guys enjoyed this video, you know what to do guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button guys, and share this content with your family and friends guys. And if you want to see content from the park off that we're going to tomorrow, you know what to do guys. Check out the channel. The video will probably be dropping soon. The first park off we've been to in a while. This one, Stans Church. You guys know Stans Church. But what's special about this is it's actually happening at the church this time. And that's why I want to go, because I know the pics are going to be insane of all the cars at the church. So yeah. Haha. Nice and tight guys. That's what we want. So it's not gonna be rolling anywhere now guys. Thanks for watching the video. Peace out guys.